Alright, so here we are outside. There's the garage, which doesn't look horrible, except that if you saw me stand over there, looks like it's going to go at least up to my knees, if not my thighs. People are out shoveling, using their snow blowers. Let's take a step into the yard here. Don and Mary's garage door there. Whoop, too far. There's where the fire hydrant should be. And if we turn around now and look back, the garage, you still really can't tell. Whoops.